is going to be my view for a few hours. I'm running in Norg. This is where I spent my childhood. Yeah. It's amazing. It's a little bit foggy, but those colors of the leaves of the trees, oh my goodness, this is some running. I absolutely love it. I'm not going too fast, just easy pace. Again, I'm navigating with my watch. That ain't my strong point, but I gotta learn. So yeah, I gotta learn. I only went wrong once until now, so yeah. We'll see how the navigation goes this time. It's absolutely magnificent view. It's oh so quiet. So quiet. Look at the symmetry. It's man-made, but it looks great. It's still a little bit foggy. I'm now, I'm now 6 kilometers in, taking it easy. It's not only dirt roads and single tracks, but it's still absolutely amazing. I love the silence. I can only hear my own footsteps on the ground. Thump, 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 thump. Yeah. Oh, fuck. This is the gas reserve of the Netherlands. Put it in the ground in Langelo. There is a natural mine, can you call it a mine? Natural holes in the ground, and they put gas in the ground for if we don't have enough to get us through the winter. So here is the gas reserve of the Netherlands. Off the road again. This is a mountain bike track, so I have to be a little bit careful. Just passed a lot of bikers. Oh, look at this, my dear YouTube friends. This makes running absolutely fucking amazing. hear them, but you cannot see. It's weird. But this is absolutely magnificent. This is what I call running with a view. It's amazing. It's not going too bad navigation, just a few wrong turns. One I had to look for the right way to go, but otherwise I'm not complaining. Oh my goodness. Oh fuck. Oh, I almost lost my shoe. Which way to go? I have to turn left. Scheiße. Now I got a cold water, so now my feet is cold and wet. Yeah, that's still right. Oh my goodness, look at those trees, those colors. Well, I need to stop saying amazing, but it is amazing. That's it, workout done. 20 kilometers, easy running through woods, meadows, dirt roads, single tracks. It was amazing. I feel great. This is a spirit lifter because of the shortening of the days. Sometimes I get a little bit darker and this helps. So yeah, have a nice need to do this more often. Just go to some place where it's nice and go around there instead of running the same route every day. Oh, this was great. Running in Drenthe around Norg. Yeah, I can recommend that. So